Aloha and welcome to week 4 of marine science. This week we're going to talk about the movement of water. Ocean water moves 3 ways. It moves in waves caused by wind. It moves by tides caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. And it moves by current patterns. So we're mostly going to talk about current patterns this week. So to get us started thinking about current patterns, I have here 2 jars. One that has fresh water and one that has salt water in it. I'm going to put a raw egg into the freshwater jar, and you can see that when I put a raw egg in the jar of fresh water, the egg sinks. And then I'm going to put a raw egg in the jar of salt water, and you can see when I put an egg in a jar of salt water, the egg floats. That means raw eggs are more dense than fresh water, but less dense than salt water. Fresh water, therefore, must be less dense than salt water. So fresh water comes into the ocean in streams, rivers, creeks, and mixes with all the other waters that are meeting in the ocean to join this body of water called ocean water. Ocean can have a varying variety of density depending upon where it is in the water column. But overall, salt water is more dense than fresh water. And you can see the evidence of that in these 2 jars with the eggs. When you have a place in the ocean where there is 2 densities of water, one sitting on top of the other, see if I can make this happen here. Where fresh water meets salt water. Originally, before there's any wave action, the fresh water will just sit on top. So the egg still sort of floats a little bit. That place where the fresh water and the salt water meet is called a halocline. Haleo pertaining to being salty. A cline meaning a layer. A halocline is a place where you have less salty water sitting on top of more salty water. So you've got a differentiation between 2 layers of water based on their salinity, the amount of salt in them. The second thing that can cause